everybody, Jandareview, and today we're at the open house here at KZRV in Shipshewana, Indiana. Now, today we're going to be looking at a 2025 Venture Sonic, model number 190 VRB. So let's get started. The length on this Sonic is 23 feet 3 inches. The dry weight is 3,930 pounds, and the hitch weight is 390.
Yes, we are just so excited. We have not been able to see any Sonics at some of our dealerships, so be able to show this to you, we are just so excited. Let me start right up front. These have these really nice molded fiberglass front caps with an LED light strip up here at the top. Of course, your propane's going to go here. Let's show you the storage down here on this side. And there is a motion sensor light, and you would know it go off about the time it's on the other side, I think.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, so you'll see it on the other side. Now this is going to have no slides. So he gave you those weights on that, so this definitely half-ton towable. If you've got a well-equipped SUV, you should be able to pull this, but always double check your weights on this. It does have a tandem axle. Your dump area is back here in a great place. You're going to have an outside shower right above it. Great for washing your hands off.
And something you mentioned a while ago, we believe the roofs are all fiberglass.
Yes, we think this is all one-piece fiberglass. Please don't hold us to that. But that's exactly what they look like from here. Back here at the back, you're going to have a spare. Coming on around. I'm not going to forget the front pass-through on this one, since now the light's on and you can see it. And it just went off again. There it goes. All right, these are going to have manual stabilizers. We don't have the length on these awnings. We will do our very best to look these up. Again, some of these are brand new models, so we're not sure exactly how much information is available, but we'll try to find it for you. So let's go inside and take a look. This is going to be a great couples camper. We'll start up here at the front.
Oh, wow.
You're going to have a sofa right here. Now this is going to have a Murphy bed. We'll show you that in just a second. You've got hanging storage across the top, and this storage on this side is going to be just like the other side. You do have power on both sides. Again, you've got this really nice sofa, and since we're here, we'll just show you how this works. And it's just like that. And there it is. I mean, pretty simple.
I'm ready to go to bed now.
It's not time to take a nap yet. All right, well, he is going to put all that right back where we found it, because like he said, we are at an open house for dealers, so we don't want to make sure that we leave things exactly the way we found it. But over here in your kitchen area, you're going to have this nice, great big sink with a high-rise faucet. Up above, you have got this nice big storage area that lifts up, ooh, and it shuts back very quickly. Wow. Microwave over here, and it is going to be right above your 3-burner cooktop. It is going to have an oven. You do have some storage here under your sink. Nice big space right there. You got this neat little ledge here, and I'm going to let him show you these drawers down here. They're pulled out.
Those are cool.
Super nice. They do give you this maintenance schedule there, so you can keep up with everything. Yeah, he'll give you a better view of the microwave than I just did. Right above him is going to be a direct dump AC unit. You've got storage cabinets over there, and if they shut as quickly as that other one did,
I'm going to hang on to them. And they give you that shelf.
You have this really great shelf right up here above the door. It does have a USB port and power, so hey, you could charge your phones up there, get them up out of the way. You are going to have a booth dinette that will make some additional sleeping. It does have storage on both sides of it. Now this particular unit, they have already installed your TV, and
looks like about a 32 maybe?
probably a 32.
Oh, and I think I just turned it on. I did.
You did.
I did. I'm sorry.
And right below that, you're going to have the wireless Bluetooth speaker. Very nice.
You've got
and another USB.
USB right here.
Yeah.
And your fridge. Envision.
12-volt compressor fridge there. And again, this is a well laid out for no slides. I think you guys are going to like this bathroom though. It's
wow.
Yeah.
Can I just go ahead and give you a what?
Yeah, let's get back here.
I just turned the TV.
Yeah, you turned the TV on, and now the TV's talking to us. So yeah, I got a little bit of a skylight up there. Now Jeremy's 6 feet tall, so you got this corner shower here. It does have just a little bit of a step up, but not much. Foot flush toilet here. You got plenty of room in front of it, and look at this storage behind it. How
That is neat.
great is that?
I like that.
Now over here, let's see if we can turn around. You have even more storage.
Little hanging.
So yeah, there's a hanging area here, or you can also use that for linen.
There's your
Mirror, the mirrored medicine cabinet. This is a great sink area, actually, for a small unit. This is just wonderful. Big sink here. Not sure what he just ran into. Got storage underneath the sink, so your tank controls, monitors, your water heater control, and a plug-in back here. And this is also, you're going to have a tank heater on this one.
yeah.
Very, very nice. There is an exhaust fan in the bathroom. So, yeah, for a nice little couples camper.
I am so glad we get to see these little the little Sonics. I like
Yeah.
these. All right, everybody. I hope you enjoyed today's tour of this Sonic. Again, we like to thank KZRV for allowing us to be here for their open house. And if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.